African American families experienced a number of structural changes in recent years. Teen pregnancy, political policies, and single motherhood are creating a growing gap in the African American community, leaving some families in dire straits.
The best way that I would describe it is as Charles Dickens' The Tale of Two Cities. It is the best of time for a good number of black families, but it's the worst of times for also a large number of black families.
But those who work with African American families are looking at their strengths in order to diminish their weaknesses. Celebrating the help of extended family and child rearing is one example. Hill says this is important in his latest book titled The African American Family, 25 Years Later.
We are the only group that came over here on slave ships, so we should be extinct like the dinosaur, but we're not extinct, and that's because we have survived building on our strengths. So I wanted to be able to let people know that if you really want to understand black families, you cannot only focus on its weaknesses, you have to be aware of its strengths.
Sociologists say access to resources like healthcare and counseling services is often a missing link in strengthening African American families. Here at the Healthy Babies Project, an empowerment technique is used to inform African Americans about family development.
We want to ensure that they have the opportunity to receive all of the information that everyone else has the opportunity to receive. Just because they're low income and just because they're living in these wards where there is disparity, they can get the same information and receive the same services that everyone else receives.
This positive approach may be key in improving the state of African American families. In Washington, Erica Flowers, News 2.